Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Oracle Linux 9.7, but the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Okay, first verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application or not. See, we don't have. Okay, so first open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Now go to code.visualstudio.com, then click on download or download this RPM package. Both are same, so click on download, then select this .rpm package. See, download started and its size is 155 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now install this one, sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then code, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to activities, show applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. The other way to open is close this one. Go to terminal, type code and hit enter. See, we got the same. Okay, so we have successfully installed. And remove this one to clear the space. Code, press the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VS Code latest version, that is 1.106 on Oracle Linux 9.7, but the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.